welcome to Little Hatchling's Art Lessons. I'm here with my 4-year-old and together we're going to draw a mermaid.
It's a mermaid!
Yeah, it's going to be a mermaid that looks like her. And you can draw it however you want.
Pink, pink, pink!
Yeah, we can change the colors and the hair to match how you want it to look. But we'll start with the face and the body and then you can do the hair how you want. We're going to do curly hair for her. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. First, we're going to draw an eye right here by making a circle.
Down here?
Right here. Good.
Ew.
Yeah, and then another circle right next to it. Okay, and then we're gonna do big black pupils in there.
Why?
Because. And then you're gonna leave 3 highlights. Do you know what highlights are? They're the little bright spots inside the eye. So that's one of my eyes done. And then I'm gonna draw the big black pupil in here again. Okay. And then 3 highlights in here again.
And just remember, don't worry about mistakes. You can start over or you can pause and get caught up to us.
I like a color in.
Okay.
More.
Okay, so now we're gonna draw eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, can I show you how I like to do them? I like to do just little eyelashes going off to the side and then off to this side too. Whoa, yours are big. Okay.
One more.
All right. So I did little eyelashes and she did big ones, but that's okay because everyone can do them different. And now the way I'm gonna do the nose is like a little oval on its side, but it doesn't connect on the top. You see that?
Why?
That's just how I'm gonna do her nose. That's a cute oval. Okay, and now for the mouth. First I'm gonna do the top part of the mouth, like that, and then I'm gonna come back down and make a upside down rainbow. Oh, and so cute. I love it. All right, now we're gonna come.
Funny.
Can you look at mine? Okay, first we're gonna start right here next to the eye, and we're gonna make her cheek come out, and then curve right under her mouth, and then over to here.
Cheek.
Perfect. And then we're gonna make her ear, which is like a C.
Ah!
Can you make a C? Okay, and then I'm gonna do another little C right inside of it.
Would see inside it.
Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna come back up here and I'm gonna draw her forehead by making a curved line down that connects to there. Okay, and now I'm gonna make the part in her hair. Do you know what the part is? It's right here. It's where the hair goes separate ways. I have a part right here where my hair parts, and your hair parts right there. So we're gonna draw a line there. And so that's good. And then part of her hair is gonna go that way, and the other part is gonna go that way. Cool, huh?
That goes this way.
Okay, so now should we do some bangs for our mermaid girl? So we're just gonna draw bangs coming down.
I want to do curly hair.
And then coming down curly, yep. All right, pause. Okay, let's do the eyebrows real quick.
What the look like?
Okay, so the eyebrows, you make it a little bit thicker on this side, and then you make it go over.
Look! I did it!
Good job. And then the same thing over here. It's a little thicker on that side, but it makes kind of like a long, skinny triangle. Very good. So we've got the face done, right? And the smile. So now we're gonna do the neck. So we're gonna do 2 little lines right below
Hey,
her
that's
chin.
small.
Actually, it's not. but you can do it how you want. Good. And then we're gonna draw her swimsuit.
Why?
So that's one strap on her swimsuit. And here's the other strap on her swimsuit. Good. And then the top part.
Top part?
Connects them. And then we're going to draw a rectangle down here.
Rectangle down here.
And that's her swim top. And now we're going to draw her arm. So we're going to draw a line going out that way.
Now how I do line.
Yeah. And I'm going to do 2 lines so that I can make her hand
Me too.
at the end. When I do
Now
cartoons.
fingers.
Yeah, when I do cartoons, I often do only 3 fingers and 1 thumb. Cute.
Not yet.
So I'm going to do the other arm. So first I'm going to draw a little bit of a shoulder.
Look, Mom.
So cute. And then I'm going to come
Her
down.
like there. Mom.
I know, you're ahead of me. And then her other arm. And then I'm going to draw this hand like this. 1 finger, middle finger, first finger, and then her thumb is going to be right there. So that's how I did her hands. I love yours. It's so cute.
This is a thumb.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to draw her belly like that.
Why?
Because she's a mermaid. And then a little belly button.
Belly boop.
And then we're going to draw her fin. So it's a curved line that goes kind of to the side like this. And then we're going to, oh, you need to draw a line right there under her belly button. Right there. See how I have a line right under her belly button? Can you draw a line under her belly button too? Under her belly button. Okay. All right, good. Okay. And now her fin, you make... You're so funny. Okay, so the fin, you make a curved, swoopy line, and then you bring it back and up. So we're making 2 fins like she's a fish. Huh. So that's how you make the fin. Oh, that's cute. I like it. She's gonna be a powerful swimmer, huh? Like strong fins. Okay. So now that we've gotten it to this part, you can do the hair however you want at home, but we are gonna do it curly. So you've already started on your curls. I'm gonna keep working on my curls like this.
Me too.
So I'm gonna go up and down with wavy lines. And she's just doing curly lines, but I'm gonna show you how to do wavy lines like this. And then you can just
Mama.
bring them curved along the same. Oh, that's so cute. All right, if you're ready to color, you can just wait for me to be ready, okay?
It says, I lost my picture.
I love your picture too.
Mama, I'm not done yet.
You're not?
Oh, I got about coloring.
Well, we're gonna color in just a second. Let me finish my curls, because you have lots of curls and I'm trying to do an easy mermaid. And
Me too.
You did your curls really fast, but I'm just taking my time with them because I want to do them this cartoon style.
Mama, mine is rubber sprinkled on my tail.
Oh yeah, we can do like, what you can do is little scales. Scales are like little upside down rainbows. So you can do those. So what I would do is I would do scales all the way to right here.
Me too.
Just little upside down rainbows.
Ta-da!
All right, should we color now? Whoa. Do you want to show them your picture? We hope you had so much fun drawing your mermaid. Yeah, you got it right. These markers, you can see through with these markers, huh? We like these as your markers. They're fun. We hope you had so much fun drawing with yours. We'd love to see how yours turns out. If you tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio, then I can see it. We'll see you next time. Bye. Are you a mermaid breathing underwater? You're so funny.